Come with me to my summer garden. So, green herbs from our summer garden to make our green signature mousseline sauce. Today, I am using these freshly picked herbs to make one of my signature sauce, green herb mousseline. We begin with a classic Hollandaise flavored with a strained green herb liquid. Then we fold in softly whipped cream to transform it into a light mousseline. In this lesson, I will show you how to control the heat, incorporate the butter without splitting the sauce, and finish it into two different ways. The classic creamy version and a lighter version made with a culinary siphon. This lesson is part of my Master French Butter Sauce series, where I teach you the professional technique behind smooth, balanced butter sauces. Let's begin with the herbs. I am using parsley, chives, spinach, spring onion top, and a small amount of tarragon. Tarragon is powerful, so it should support the other herbs without overpowering the sauce. Blend into a smooth concentrated mixture using just enough water. Pass the mixture through a very fine sieve or strainer. This gives the sauce a smooth texture and prevents herbs fibers from blocking the siphon later. Now we start building the sauce. From the start, combine the egg yolks with the strained green herbs liquid, lemon juice, cayenne pepper, and salt. The herb liquid already contains water, so no additional water is needed. Whisk everything together before placing the pan over the heat. The clarified butter should be warm, approximately 55 to 60 degrees Celsius. I prefer a heavy stainless steel pan because it distributes the heat evenly and gives better control. Place the pan over very low heat and whisk continuously. Make sure the whisk reaches every part of the pan. If the mixture thickens too quickly, lift the pan away from the heat and continue whisking. We need enough warmth to thicken the yolks, but never enough to crumble them. Once the yolk have thickened, begin adding the warm clarified butter gradually while whisking continuously. Start with only a small amount at a time. Once the emulsion becomes stable, the butter can be added in a steadier stream. Adding it too quickly may cause the sauce to split. The finished green herbs hollandaise should be smooth, glossy, and thick enough to coat the spoon. Test and adjust the salt and acidity. That's so good. If this professional sauce lesson are helping you, subscribe and continue learning with me through my Master French Butter Sauce series. At this stage, we have a finished green herb hollandaise. Gently fold in softly whipped cream to transform it into mousseline. Do not whisk aggressively because we want to preserve the air inside the cream. I am keeping one half in its classic creamy form and transforming the other half into a culinary siphon. Please share this video with your friends and family or to whom it may be useful, because this also helps the algorithm to show this video to more people on YouTube. Leave your comment if there is anything you do not understand about this video, and it will be my pleasure to help you out. Close the siphon securely. Charge it with a nitrous oxide according to its instruction and shake well. This creates a lighter, more aerated version of the same sauce. Here are the two finished textures. The classic mousseline is smooth and creamy, while the siphon version is lighter and more aerated. To become more confident and work more calmly in your kitchen, download my free Calm Kitchen Starter Guide through the first link below. Continue the series with my Hollandaise butter sauce lesson on the screen.